Welcome to another session. This is pages management. So we have a page, a section called pages. We have all your dynamic created pages assembled in one place. This is where you can find it in your cPanel. Before we go to that, I want to quickly show you some default segments. This is small segment in contact page. Welcome. This place you can also change this text here from here. Footer notes. This is what I mean. You can change this. It appears on all the pages. You can control it from here. Gallery intro. Let us look at this. This is a default text. So when you have nothing there, no updates, it shows. Save changes, refresh. Okay, I don't think I changed anything. Okay, so let's see. Meet or enjoy our wonderful moments. Alright, save the changes, refresh. So you have it here. You want to revert to the default setting, you can just empty this. Just save the empty text box. Voila, you have your default set. So this is what I mean by smart content. Then the last content is very important as well. Now this home intro, let me show you what I mean. Home intro, you see this picture here. This is the dynamic content you can regulate from here. Let's say I want to change this picture. Just remove it if you want. And I want to add another one. Maybe you have an updated version of whatever you want. Let's see. Okay, this one looks fabulous. You can add a picture from here. Okay, let's just add this. Now to avoid I think it's still uploading. Yes. To avoid it showing the name of the image, you can say girl and gown. I hope I'm light. Alright, this gown. Okay. Enter. So it is saved. You can undo all the updates, save changes and all that. Go back to home page, refresh. So you have it change in real time. So your user can actually see updated information and all that. I think that is all we have for large content. Post intro. Post have their own intro. Something like meet brilliant ideas and all that. So you can change it from here. I'm not gonna do that here for now. So I will quickly go to dynamic views. I don't think I'll be changing anything in page category. Page category is where you need to create more categories, as we're going to see. Okay, so I'm going to copy a post of a website because of time. How to plan a website. Just a very small sketch. This log will be automatically generated. You can edit it if you want, but there must be no space. This image is just a single image, a cover image. Find a suitable match of your choice. Let's see. Okay. Just drag and drop. single image, except this is a summary of what you are planning to put out there. Then the full information. You can as well add images at some point if you wish to. Just include it at any point of the text. Okay, let me just add this one. Remember to always edit. Just wait for this bar. It's uploading in real time. Add a capture. Red dress. It's unrelated, but yeah, there's nothing we can do about that. Okay, so this is where you do the parenting. I don't want to parent it to another post. If you do this, it will appear as related post to that. Allow comments. You can activate or inactivate comments. You can hide it. This is very important for SEO, search engine optimization. Let me just put it on the programming. I'm not going to put order. You can set the order. Remember that 0 is the highest preference. Child section name. Now, child section name is this. Let me show you what I mean. Child section name is this. This is the name that it will be given. Region. So depends on what you pick there. You can pick anything, zone, whatever. These are the section that we have. So in case your organization or your business have branches, head office and all that, you can place them in that hierarchy order. I'm going to look at this later. Let's create this. Now, setting this default page simply means you want to include it among this top menu. You want the page to appear there, you set it at default. We're not going to do that now. It's not a major page. So let's refresh this or go to all pages. Now you have the latest with the image there, and it will also appear there. So that's how it works. So let's go there 7 seconds ago. You see everything that we posted appear there. Comments are live, reactions and all that. People can also comment and all that. Okay. Now, if you want to grant access to limited number of people to the page, remember to add your log code. You can always update it here. You can remove it later. You can always change it to your assign access. Refresh. Did it save? Okay. I think I've used this log code before. Sorry. Let me change it. 234. I'll use it on a page. Okay. Just be careful to choose something so unique so that the browser wouldn't upset it. Alright. So the new log code is 234. Let's just add extra. You found out that it's incorrect. I know it's 234. So yes, the sound, you can also remove the sound if you don't want. It will redirect you to the main page, so don't worry about that. So even if you refresh the page, the user can always have access to your information and all that. So this is one of the authentication. Even though it's dynamic, it's like giving you extra unlimited pages with authentication. Wow, this application is fantastic. All right, I hope you appreciate this and you understood all that there is to that, and It will help you grow your business. So on to the next one, blog and management. Thank you.